What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2019 F550 with my favorite 6.7. Come with me as we figure out why this check engine light is on and what you need to do to fix it. Thank you guys so much for watching me every Friday and trying to learn all you can about the best truck on the road, eh? So today we're gonna pull the DTCs we have for this truck in the PCM, whoops, and we're gonna follow the associated pinpoint tests for the related DTCs. So let's jump into this, see what we got. Alright, let's see what codes we got. We got some particulate filter pressure sensor A DTC. We got sensor circuit high, soot accumulation, and forced limit power. If you guys notice, remember when I have in the past retrieved DTC, sometimes we have them in on demand, meaning we have an electrical problem going on right now. Well, that's past. So all we have is some continuous DTCs, and we're going to go to the PCED, which is going to show us the correct path to take, and we are, remember, 2452. Let's see what we got, where it's going to tell us to go. The PCM monitors the rationality of the DPF pressure bank 1 sensor 1 immediately after engine shutdown. This DTC sets when the DPF PID value exceeds ambient pressure by a calibrated threshold. So if you look right there, it says our possible causes could be a DPF 11 circuit short to voltage, a damaged DPF pressure sensor. So let's get into RB and see where we are going to go. Alright, here at RB we're going to hit continue, and it's going to ask us the questions. When we do the self-tests, it asks us if we got any of the DTCs that we had listed on IDS. So we do, and we're going to go to the P2452. We're going to start with the first one, and we're going to go to RB11 and see what it asks us. It wants us to check the DPF pressure sensor connector and hose for damage. Alright, that's no big deal. Let's get up underneath here on the creeper and see if we got anything out of the ordinary. Alright, kind of hard to see, but, well, for me at least, you guys got the primo spot right now. Sensor appears like it's connected. You can see the hose here is attached. It's attached to the sensor right there. The only thing I see maybe is that it isn't clipped in right there, maybe. But other than that, it looks good. All right, let's go back to the pinpoint test. So back in the truck, we're gonna answer no. So the next one it goes to is RB23, and it wants us to go back down there and monitor the sensor voltage. And what I'm gonna do is wiggle test the wiring and see if we have any fluctuations. So you wanna come? Let's go. Okay, back up underneath this thing. It's a tight fit with the DPF against my chest. Okay, so I'm gonna wiggle the wire. See if we get any fluctuations. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do here. Looking for any spikes. Okay. Then going like this. Okay, see how I'm moving the harness like that? Look what's going on. Look what's going on the graph. There's something going on right here. Staying steady at 0.44. Let's see if I can move it again. Let me try to wiggle this connector one more time. I'm going back and forth with it. Alright, so I think what I'm going to have to do is super tight it underneath this truck, and I'm not going to be able to bring you along, but I'm going to try to get this harness down as far as I can and maybe have it hang a little bit, and I'll take it apart with you guys. So, next shot, hopefully I'll have the harness down. Alright, I got the harness down, and on first inspections, everything looks alright. Take a closer look here at the purple wire. Maybe we got something going on right there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Look at that. You guys see that? Both of them. Only one that we have intact looks as to be the blue with the brown tracer. There, that's a better shot. Okay. Good thing I have an electrical connector. This is the connector for your DPF pressure sensor. And let's go ahead and open this brand new bag up. We'll verify that we have everything we're going to need to repair. Even came a cool little sticker on it. Nope, it doesn't have the locking tab, so we will have to transfer that over. So what I'm going to do right now, repair this harness and get it back to how it needs to be to function correctly, and get it back on the road. So let's get to it, eh?
Music
Okay, now after that painful repair, let's see here. Just gonna get my magnet light out of the way. All right, let's see if I can dollop this harness up in here. That goes there. We got an EGT that clips in. White tabs on. EGT. Little thingy is on. And then lastly, plug that there. And plug this EGT in here. Okay, let's go turn the computer back on. There's our sensor connector. Voltage reading just as it's supposed to. I got a guy down there wiggling it right now. And we're good. We are going to have to take care of the other DTCs because this has not been correctly regenning. Our filter has accumulated too much soot. So we're going to do a couple manual regens outside, get this puppy back on the road doing aerial boom repairs, whatever booms do. Make sure to drop that like, hit me up on that subscribe, watch for me every Friday. Thank you guys so much for watching me, and drop me in the comment section. Let me know if anybody's had to put a DPF pressure connector, pressure sensor connector on their 6.7, if they've had any issues. I'll see you guys next Friday. Thanks so much. See you.